Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to explore a fundamental concept in string manipulation, which is a concatenation. String concatenation allows us to combine multiple strings into a single string, enabling us to create dynamic and expressive text in our program. So next we explain how we can concatenate a string. In JavaScript, string concatenation is achieved using the plus operator. When applied to string, the plus operator joins the string together, creating a new string that contains the combined text. This operation is particularly useful when building message, generating HTML content, or constructing URLs. Let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write script tag. In this script tag I write our functionality. So first we define a toString here. So here I write let first name is equal to, here I write honey, and after that I write let second name is equal to Lizer. And here you can see it get an error, so I write small l, and after that I concatenate these two strings. For that I create one variable. So here I write full name is equal to, then I use a first name variable here, and after that I use a plus sign for concatenating two string, and after that I use a second name. So here I write second name. Now I want to display the result of this line to a user. So for that I use a console.log method, and in this first I write a text here. The full name is, and after that I use a plus sign to concatenate this full name and this string. So next here I write this full name. Now I save this file and go to a browser, and here I reload this, and here you can see I get the full name is Honey Licer. But here you can see I don't get any space between Honey and Licer. So I go to a VS Code, and again here I use this quotes, and after that I use a plus sign and save this. Now I go to a browser, and now you can see I get Honey Licer properly with space. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to use the plus operator in JavaScript to concatenate string and create dynamic text. String concatenation is a powerful tool that allows us to build complex message and manipulate text efficiently. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.